Okay, I'm gonna move this here. It's to the dashboard. Okay, and I guess I will post this on Twitch again. Oh, it says I'm live. Cool. Nice. Does it say I'm live? Would it say I'm live? Yeah, it does. Cool. Cool. I was about to say I would have to post twice again. Okay. Stream looks okay. Right, then I can get to work on this. So just a little bit more coding and then I think I'll be good for tonight. But I just want to code a little bit more. Okay. Oh boy, 17 viewers, that's intense. Hello, welcome to the stream if you're watching. Dang, that's solid, okay. Alright, so I'm building a roguelike, which means it's a game, and I'm using, everything is basically tiles that are characters. Or like text characters, kind of like that. So, yeah. Guess my thing's solid, alright. If you have any questions, feel free to message on the stream chat and I will answer them as I see them. So I guess it would be self-width equals width. No. Self-width equals width. Self-height equals height. Self equals left. So FOB map equals none for now. Oh, okay, that was a very large spike for sure. Oof, 17 to 4. It's okay. How's everyone's day going? So I just got back from work, so that's why I'm streaming again. And then I'm gonna edit those two videos together and post it in the YouTubes. So YouTubes is fun, you know. Okay. music might be music audio balance might be off. Does that fix it? That fixes it a bit. Okay. The audio. There we go. Okay. It's okay. I'm coding for an hour, so it shouldn't be too stressful. Okay, cool. That was great. Okay. Well, I hope that wasn't, I guess, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if that was on the gonna pop up on the YouTube, whatever. I'll just take that out. Okay. So this should generate an empty tile map. List of tiles. And then the audio on that is so bad. It's not bad, it's just a little bit too loud. Okay. So I guess stream quality is also just okay. Coding. Oh, am I watching myself? No, I'm not. Maybe I am. Okay. So the empty tiles, tile, walkable column, append. So it should generate it. Then we would just run it through here. Yeah. Okay. So generate empty tiles. What? The YouTube? Okay. Bruh. Now audio is being spooky. Okay, so now it's less painful for me and you. There we go. That's a bit better. A little bit more peaceful. Okay, there we go. Okay. So we're gonna do update. How does it do FTP? Okay, so just def generates starting FOV map. So I would do return a T-code map that's of self width, self height. Would it even, I mean, not really. I guess this could just work by itself. Yeah, I guess so. It doesn't care whatsoever. Just wants the width and height, and that's it. Then we have the update FOV map function. How does this guy do? How does this buddy do it? Okay. I didn't know that's possible, but this works. Why do I have that? It's trash. Hello, welcome to the stream. If you have any questions about what I'm working on, feel free to ask and I will answer. Add tile. I guess it'd just be update tile. Because you can't add any new tiles, so we won't do that. Okay, so I'll update it and that'll be fun. Okay, so from here then we can just do, so this is the renderer. This is the map. Let's see how many errors it's gonna pop up today. Okay. By default, we can set FOB to be true. So that would be fine. If the self.fov so we won't need this function. We won't need this function. These two we can keep. No, this is actually starting to look a little bit more organized, so that's good. It's a good sign. is true, so we can keep that. Let's do that. F compute FOB map. Then if self FOB. Then we'll have a, what is it? So it's a X, a Y, X, a Y, radius, light walls. Algorithm is equal to 0. So all a person would have to worry about, so we can set this to true just for testing purposes. All a person would have to worry about is not that, but self.FOB. FOV map. What part is out of range? We did give it the width and height, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, we missed something. Room, drop room.
Sometimes wake from a dream and find myself shaking from the memory of it. I'll never forget when I first saw him. A man so monstrous, so unhuman, that I refused to think it could ever happen again to anyone else.
Game has no update FOV. Push dungeon to map. Push dungeons. Game. Map. What is this? Nope, that's not it. Name algorithm is not defined. slowly but surely, this is getting much more easier. I mean, simpler at least. Best way to put it. Render map for X and range. Better yet. Just do get time. Game. Does it work? I think it works. Hello. Very nice username, my friend. Welcome to the chat. Good job for you. Hello, hello. Here. Okay, and I'm not German. I'm actually Russian, so I just like saying hello as an alternative way of saying hello, but... Okay. Okay. That makes sense, I think. So we got... And this stuff stays relatively the same. Hello, welcome to the stream. Renderer. Though the renderer could be delegated a little bit more regarding functions though, but let me save that code first because I like it. I haven't seen a game like this made in Python. I know, that's the best part. So you see, basically, here's the rundown. How it goes is there's this library called libtcode, right? And So basically, some guy posted, well, not this one. Some guy posted this thing. It's called like the Dorian Library, and it's like a very easy API for providing a true color console with all this fun stuff, right? And so this is written in C and C++, but it has a bunch of bindings, and one of the bindings just so happens to be Python. So there's a libtcode.py, and it's also backwards compatible with this regular T code thing, but the only important part is that it has to have, it runs on top of SDL2 library and FFI, I guess, and some other stuff, but yeah, basically that's how it goes. Yep. So it's a lot of Python. And then somehow I'll have to figure out a way how I'm going to present this. But what I'm trying to do is make this game general enough so that other people could use it and be like, oh, yo, I want to build it. Then they write a couple lines of Python and then they're good. So, fun stuff, more or less, I think. Yeah, let me test this music. Music's okay. Alright. So, we got this fighter thing, the game object, then we got the game map. So I'm gonna take the renderer, and so we have Colorama, Nancy codes, Colorama. Yeah, that's one way of doing it. This kind of makes it a little bit easier, but so render all is fine, update console is fine, clear all is fine, but okay. So we'll have a game object renderer. We will have a map renderer. What other renders we should have? We should also have a dashboard renderer. So we can take these two, put them here, because they don't need to be anywhere else. And we can just take those two and generalize those, so that way instead of only thing is we gotta give it an FOV. In this case, if we do have an FOV, so if FOV, then we do this part. But we'll probably just take that down to take that out. else. So these two, if FOV map, then do that. This is better. There we go. So if it isn't in the if it isn't even in there, so we can say if render object is true, then for all intents and purposes, so by default this is true, but if it that thing, you could do something else. Fine. That'll render, and if not, it won't do anything. Perfect. Do you have any other projects you work on? Yeah, I'm working on this one medical project for a client, but I'm under NDA, so I can't discuss that too much. And then another project I'm working on right now is just this like kind of journal application. So it's basically, it just takes in some Python templates and then it basically pipes it out to a MD file, and it's just for me to be like, where object entity equals true. Oh, that's antiquated code. That's part of, that's I have that. That's just supposed to be like, if it's actually something that's like has some sort of behavior or something, but like it actually doesn't need to be there. Line 5. Yeah, I see it. This is an architectural antiquation that I have to re-implement because there's going to be entity class or superclass, and then the game object will be a underclass of it, and the entity is going to represent anything that has any sort of behavior essentially, and a game object will just represent an object on the screen that has a position and is rendered onto the screen. That's all game object will be. The entity part right here, that's supposed to be a class, but I never got to it, so I just turned it into a boolean. So it's basically all of them have it, so I could actually take that out. Yeah, I don't. Oh yeah, I could do that too, but I could just do this because I don't need it, period. Thanks for the clarification. Don't call me late for dinner. For an additional renderers. Okay, so import from game object renderer, import from not renderer, import all. Import all. Yeah, but JavaScript does, and I don't just use Python, so that's, yes, it's not standard. It doesn't, yes, it's not beautiful, but I find my exactly, you see, exactly right. You're right. So we're going to simplify this renderer down to its subcomponents. So render game objects will take in, so we're gonna change this to not need a self at all. Instead, it'll take in its console and then the objects. Same for the thing for this one. Console, the objects, and if it has a FOV map. If it doesn't have a FOV map, then oh boy, then we're in for a kicker. And that remains valid, but this keeps like that. Same thing for this one, you just take that out and then change this to console. And I think we should be good on that part. So all we have to do is for this one, we just give it the console, then we give it the map, the FOV map specifically. Nitpicking intense. Oof. Oh man, that nitpicking. Well, we will see if it works. Yeah, those are just stubs. I actually don't need them. You were definitely right. Those were when I was stubbing out the code, so those are things I need to take out. This thing I do need. The return function I do need. Well, I don't really need it, but do I? Do I not? Yes, I do not. Maybe I do. Okay, this should work in theory. Render object has no attribute render objects. That's why you just do this. What's that? Name render is not defined. Oh boy, you don't need it. You should have spaces between your commas and values and where do I not have spaces? Can you point to the line? It's on my side too. It's on my side too. Well, okay, maybe he's older. Maybe he's older and has more wisdom. Maybe he's passing on his wisdom onto me, so that way I can pass it on to others. Or not, I don't know. Console's not defined. Oh boy. Okay, so this boy is done. So now it's time to the renderings of the map. So let's just copy and grab all this. And generalize it. Yes, but I'd rather see him code than fix pointless stuff. Ooh. Oof. Okay. I'd rather see him making his code proper and Pythonic than continue. They're both, you know, they're both valid points. maybe? No, actually in JavaScript you use triple equals. Yeah, I could. Well, because it's consistent. More people will probably know what this means than if I just put in parentheses. Exactly. That's the thing. Well, yeah, but that's only Python. That's like it's only Python specific. Say I have a Python backend and a JavaScript frontend, and the JavaScript frontend guy wants to eventually touch the backend for some reason, you know? It could happen. So many guys want to touch the back end for many, yes. Hopefully for decent reasons. Oh man, thank you for the follow, dude. That means so much to me. Like, in all seriousness, thank you so much. Okay, and then we can just take these two and put that in its own thing as well. Console dashboards. Com dashboards. Oh boy. That's not good. Well, How do you pronounce GUI? Did you say GUI? It's a GUI. Yeah? Yeah, right. What? How are you supposed to GUI? It's not GUI. It's GUI. Indentation error. Oh no. No. How do you pronounce it? Self is not defined. Oh no. GUI. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's GUI. Do you know how much times it was drilled into my head that it's supposed to be GUI? Hey. Guys, be friends. Calm down. Come on. It's fine. Okay. Based off of what logic, though? Right. So, it does depend. Dashboard. Where's our dashboard? So, we have a hide, we have a show, we have a draw, we have a clear, and a splits it to a console. That's because the dashboard has its own small piece of render code. In that specific case, like it kind of should, because it has its own console. Really, it does, but then for the fighter dashboard, and then for the custom message board, fighter dashboard has that, and it prints it to its specific dash. So it's almost like you'd have to. No. Why? How did you acquire the knowledge that you should pronounce GUI GUI? Where did you acquire that knowledge? That's my curiosity. Just curious curiosity out of plain curiosity. So you push it to the dash console. Okay, that is pretty decent, but I think the look inside the part in the pronunciation. It'll have a link to the audio. Actually, I don't know if it will, but they have a specific part that's the pronunciation. Yeah, okay. So for the dashboard, each dashboard has a message or a buffer console. I know he is. So here's the thing: for the dashboard, since they have their own. Okay, since they had their own console. I guess you'd render to the buffer dashboard. So I guess in this case, really, for this, it'd be draw dashboard, clear dashboard. So it'd be draw the dashboard, clear the dashboard. No, update the dashboard and clear the dashboard. Ooh, another follower. Who is it? Don't call me later for dinner. Thank you for. You can post it in the link. I wouldn't mind. Okay, I think based off of I have this friend and he told me to like really be careful about my architecture. So technically I'm taking the dash console and I'm blitting that to the screen. Technically. Technically. How many people do we have on 6 viewers? Ooh boy, 6 viewers going strong, guys. Road to 100 followers. Let's go. Console out. I really need to think this through. Yeah, I have a better idea. For this one, we'll have an update dash console method, and this will do nothing because this is the base. And then these two functions will do something, whatever that might be. But this stuff will just be put in here. So we're gonna have def draw dashboard. Here, dashboard. Here. I have to say that I'm rather disappointed with the results. How many people did you poll off of? When did you poll this? How many people did you get? What? How did you get 852 votes? Oh my gosh. Ah, okay. It's whatever. Okay. Oh man, I wonder how many places I can post my programming live stream to get traction. Gotta be, it's a road to be best youngest live streaming programmer on Twitch 2018. Wait, no, 2018, 2019. I don't know, some random meme. I posted it to 6 Discords, 3 subreddits, 8 Twitch channels. That's one way of doing it. Oh man, I feel like there's a way to automate that. Could I automate it? Could I automate it? Could I automate it? It worked. No, you're right, it did work. Okay, this should work. Okay. Update dash console will be the pinnacle. So I just have to take these and work off of this. Drop that. Instead of doing this, do that. So really... Makes a bot that skims web pages for Discord links, ghosts them. Here's the real question though. Can you actually like do that? Like, can you? But see, going into a Discord's a little bit hard to do programmatically because you can't really do Discord bot. Oh boy, dashboard.draw, where? Oh man, I didn't see that coming at all. I mean, you're probably update dash console takes in 0 positional increments. But fine. Take in 1 positional increment. Take in self. Take in yourself. Come on. Ooh, boy. Thank you for following, man. That means so much to me. The real question is why? Why, oh why, oh why? It's my... Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to sleep real soon, so you're not really gonna miss much, and I'm gonna post the rest of this on YouTube. So... Alright, good luck, man. Wish you're sleeping. I mean, this guy does health. This guy doesn't really attack. I think I guess it's because I attack him first and he doesn't have attack damage. Thanks for the follow, man, for sure, though. Okay, this actually looks really clean now. Like, really clean. Purple text. What does purple text? Does purple text mean like it's real or something? Oh boy, okay. Render seems solid for now. He used /me for purple text. Oh, okay. Oh, I get it now. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's even in my color. I like it. It's really nice. Okay. Huh. We have input handlers, dashboards, objects, prompts, running, game, app, objects, dashboards. Filter by point. These ones in particular, I mean, really though, they only need a list of objects. They're not really specific to the game. So really though, do they need to be in there? That's kind of the dilemma. Maybe not. The real question is this thing. Ow. Okay. So this will have to do with combat behavior, and then it still refers to the game, but this is the entity I was talking about. How much tea do I have left? I think I'm wait. I think I feel pretty toasty. So toasty means that I'm kind of like because because I have to go and wake up at 6 tomorrow as well. Not 4, but 6. So I'll take a very short Q&A. So do you guys have any questions before I jump off stream? I'll probably stream sometime tomorrow and then I'll archive it on YouTube. I will post my YouTube link in case anyone's interested in that, so you guys can subscribe to that, because if you don't catch the stream, I will most definitely post it on YouTube. So that's one thing. Anyway, any questions before I jump off? None from me. Well, okay, okay. Well, I think that's that for tonight. Yep. Alright, okay, good night everybody. Make sure to subscribe if you found this interesting or follow, whatever it is.